The Projects module helps you to create projects and tasks, as well as discussing and sharing files. Click the New Project button to create a project. Then, click on the newly added project to open it. Once you're inside the project, you'll notice multiple tabs. We'll go into detail about each of them, but first, let's go with the basics of the current Tasks tab. In the Tasks section, you'll add tasks and assign them to users. To add a task, click the Task button. Then, write in the details of the tasks and click Add Task. You can add as many tasks as you like in here. You'll notice that a new sidebar appeared when we created the task. Every task has its own sidebar holding an activities board inside it. In the activities board, you can comment and discuss with your team about that particular task. You can also use the Notify option, which sends email to the users you've selected when you send a message. We also have an Attach Files option, where you can attach files to the task from your Dropbox account. You can also create more to-do lists that can hold tasks. Click on the Manage To-Do List option. Here you can change the name of the existing to-do lists and also create additional to-do lists. You can see that I just added 2 new to-do lists and renamed the existing list. Now, in each of these to-do lists, you can add tasks like we did before. We can drag these tasks from one list to another, or even drag them to change the order of the task in the same to-do list. Every task can be assigned to the members of the project. You can also mark a due date for every task. Once a particular task is completed, it can be closed by clicking the checkbox adjacent to it. Now, let's move quickly to the other sections. The Activities tab provides similar activities that you've seen on tasks, but as you can see, this is a project activity board where you can discuss something about the whole project. The Users section determines who has access to the project. Users who are not selected here will not have access to the project. The Connections section allows you to connect the project with any other item in the application, so you can select all the related items to the project and access them here. Finally, the Details section, which shows additional information about every project. By default, we only have 2 fields in here, but if you like, you can add more fields that define a project at your company. For that, you need to go back to the Projects listing page and select Manage Fields from the options. Here, click the Add New Field button and enter the name of the new field you desire. And click Save. Now, when you head back to your project's Details section, you'll notice that your new field appears but is blank. You can edit the details using the Edit button. That's it for this tutorial. Have a great day.